हाय गाइस। सो इंडिया के जो टॉप कॉलेजेस है ना एमबीए के, जैसे आईएम अहमदाबाद, बैंगलोर, कलकत्ता, एसपी जेएन, एक्सेलर है, इनको किस बारे में जाना जाता है? बिकॉज ऑफ इनकी स्टूडेंट की क्वालिटी। यहाँ पे जो स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं वो हाई अचीवर्स होते हैं। कोई एकेडमिक्स में होता है, कोई स्पोर्ट्स में होता है, कोई चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट रैंक होल्डर होता है। आज मेरे साथ ऐसी एक हाई अचीवर है, इनका नाम है आर्या, बट शी इज नॉट फ्रॉम एन आईएम। इन्होंने एक ऐसा बी स्कूल ज्वाइन किया है जो मार्केट में 3 साल पुराना है, बट वो न्यू आईएम्स और बेबी आईएम्स को टक्कर दे रहा है। एंड द नेम ऑफ द बी स्कूल इज
Altera.
परफेक्ट। आर्या, वेलकम टू दिस पॉडकास्ट।
Thank you.
भाई मैं आपकी प्रोफाइल नहीं बताऊंगा, आप ही बताओ, बिकॉज आधे पॉइंट तो मैं भूल गया था। सो प्लीज कंटिन्यू, स्टार्ट विथ योर प्रोफाइल।
Yes. So I'm Arya, and I did my BBA, that is Bachelor's of Business Administration, from Indira Gandhi Delhi Technical University.
How big is this IGDTU something?
Yes, IGDTU. It's one of the top engineering colleges of Delhi.
Okay.
And I'm a 2022 pass out, and वहाँ से I was a double gold medalist. I
Wow.
topped my batch as well as the whole undergrad cohort of 2,000 students.
Wow.
Yeah, so and then post that I joined Sugar Cosmetics as a growth marketing executive. मैंने retention marketing में वहाँ पे काम किया था basically, and then also I was the youngest in the team there.
Wow.
And then उसके बाद I did join a social media agency as a marketing lead. And मैंने वहाँ around 2 years काम किया. So I have about 2 years of work ex. And also साथ पे ही when I left Sugar, I picked up sports. So at an age when everyone gives up on sports, I got into sports. And that is pistol shooting. I'm a 10-meter pistol shooter. And 3 साल हो गए मुझे, and I've played till the pre-nationals. Every time I've made it to the pre-nationals. So yeah, I'm just one step away from making it to the Indian team.
Wow. So she has represented India, by the way.
Not yet.
Not yet, but you will be. अगर आप इस गेम में रहे तो.
Yes, yes.
But बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट है यार, ये भी कुछ हल्का काम नहीं है, to be very honest. But again, coming back to the main point.
Yes.
पिस्टल शूटिंग वगैरह वगैरह इतना फोड़ने के बाद भी,
हाँ जी.
तो आपने एकेडमिक्स भी फोड़ा, आपने स्पोर्ट्स में भी फोड़ा है, ठीक है? Why MBA after doing everything, so many things, by the way?
I'm a true blue marketing girl. मतलब शुरू से BBA में भी वही किया, and then also मेरा work ex भी वही है. So when I did that, I understood कि like I need to also level up आगे, और अगर dive deep करना है in the subject. So obviously MBA was the right choice, and given that मेरे को ऐसा था कि like also financial responsibilities at home were there. So I was like,
Thoughtful, yeah, very thoughtful.
So my father's retiring next year, so I was like, I want to make sure that I'm there for him, and that is why I was like looking for a 1-year course, and that is why Altera came into the picture.
Where Altera has an advantage
Yes,
also.
yes.
Okay, but you know what I'll tell you, जहाँ तक आपकी profile is concerned, okay? So I have been training so many students over a period of time. You know it, right? And आपकी जो प्रोफाइल है वो ब्लैक ही हो गया, एक्सेल हो गया, एफएमएस हो गया, एक्सेलर हो गया, उससे अब मैच करती है.
हाँ जी.
No doubt about that. So you could have taken a year gap, prepared for CAT, prepared for ZAT, and MAT, SNAP, yada yada yada, and would have made it there because that is the perception in the market. So people who are 23, 24 years old, right? वो यही कहेंगे कि भाई बड़े भी स्कूल में चले जाओ. आपने Altera क्यों चूज किया? रीजन क्या था?
Altera was a very obvious choice for me after a point, given the fact कि करण सर और अलेक्स सर का नाम जुड़ा इससे.
Okay.
So like
इनकी
they
profile
are,
के बारे में बताओ.
yes, so Karan sir and Alexa, they're both like HUL veterans, and Karan sir is the guy who introduced Surf Excel in the country. So like to be there with him, like उनके like footsteps पे चलना, to get an opportunity to be mentored by them, and like to be like they teach us case studies. So the guy who has introduced Surf Excel, वो आके Surf Excel के बारे में पढ़ा रहे हैं. So like yeah, that's my biggest flex. That's my biggest flex to all of my like MBA friends also जो कहीं और से कर रहे हैं. So like to get that opportunity, I feel was like, I was like ये स्टील डील है, मतलब लोगों को नहीं पता है इससे पहले ये और फैले, like I need to grab it.
Actually, ठीक है. So okay, fine. So you got into Altera because करण सर की प्रोफाइल अच्छी लगी आपको, अलेक्स सर एंड स्टॉलवर्ट है, बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाते हैं.
हाँ जी.
बट आपकी भी प्रोफाइल काफी अच्छी है, राइट? सो जब आप Altera आई, राइट, बिकॉज आपने इतना फोड़ा है, तो आपको लगा होगा कि यार अंदर जाने के बाद क्लास में जब आप आए, वर यू हैप्पी? तुम्हें लगा कि नहीं यार मेरे से भी यहाँ पे शेयर को 1.25 शेयर है, या फिर कैसा पीयर ग्रुप है यहाँ का?
बहुत सारे शेर हैं यहाँ पे, like once you step in you have to be like since day one it was like fight मारनी पड़ेगी यहाँ पे. It's going to be the survival of the fittest here. It's not like that you've come from like a good profile तो सब चलेगा. It's not like that. There are like there are even freshers here जिनसे I'm like intimidated. I'm like इनसे भी सीखने को मिलेगा. It's not like you can't come with that arrogance कि मुझे सब पता है. So yeah, like पूरा the creme de creme वाला crowd है. It's not like you are missing out on that, because that was also one of my hesitations that I want to ensure, because coming from like an undergrad college जहाँ पे there was a cream crowd, I wanted that. तो वहाँ या उस केस में भी like Altera में the peer group is like absolutely fantastic. So many diverse backgrounds, freshers हो, experienced हो, like there's even a dentist in our batch. There's someone from the pharma background. So like
Wow.
so many diverse backgrounds.
So, talking about RA का profile, जैसे आपने देखा होगा ना, people who, want to make it to MBBs or investment banks or something like that, maybe Amazon, Accenture Strategy वगैरह, right? ये जो cult profiles होती है, इसमें आप देखोगे ना, आपके resume पे एक spark देखा जाता है, right? जो basically B schools देखते हैं. But ये जो culture है ना, ये Blackie में, XLRI में, SPJN में, FMS में बहुत ज़्यादा है. And I'm happy that Altera is also following the same footstep because founders वहाँ से आते हैं. So that's why her profile is a perfect fit for Altera. And that is the reason यहाँ पे ऐसे profile के भी बच्चे आपको दिखेंगे. So don't get surprised. But I'm happy that you finally chose Altera because that's what you would love to do eventually.
Yes.
So what's the profile that you're looking at? Consulting, prodman, what is it?
I'm looking for prodman or like growth
Nice,
marketing.
nice.
So like these are two main areas, and also like prod is just introduced in this term to us. So like it's taught by Sunmeet sir. So like बहुत ही interesting lectures होते हैं. It's like coming from, and also like there is a myth कि technical background के लोग prod management जा सकते हैं, but that was busted here कि ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Like you can still make it. Like that was my first question to sir कि like I am a BBA grad, can I make it? He was like, of course you can. So yeah, so prod management and growth is something that I
Tell
want
me
to
more about the sessions. Tell me more about the
Yes.
faculties. The teaching pedagogy, the case study
Yeah.
methodology. थोड़ा उसके बारे में बता दो.
Sure. मतलब firstly तो completely hands-on learning है. Like even like इस term में especially like sprint sessions होते हैं हमारे. Wherein like we are thrown in case studies that you are the key account manager. This is your like data and you have some problems going on in your business. Try and solve it. So it honestly feels like हम simulation में हैं and like we have been thrown in with real world responsibilities. तो ऐसे कभी भी bookish नहीं लगता. We don't have books here.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, we don't
No
have
books at all?
No books
किसी
at
भी
all.
author की books नहीं
No,
है?
not at all. मेरे को पता भी नहीं है कोई MBA की books अगर कोई बोलेगा I can't
So it
even
is
like recall.
100% practical.
Yes. Like we have decks here जो like हमारे faculties ने like prepare किए होते हैं. We refer to that and then we have some pre-reads. So like we have a portal known as LMS that Altera has. तो उस पे ही like we have all our learnings there.
Okay, so this might be a little tough question. If you want to pass it on, you can pass it on. But I will be asking you some tough questions,
Yeah.
right? So we always have this, sort of perception towards brand, tag, etc., etc.
Yeah.
We've got a wonderful profile. तो मैं ऐसे लगा कि यार, should have given a chance to IIMs or maybe SPs or XLRIs of the world or maybe new IIMs, baby IIMs, IMT Ghaziabad, yada yada yada. And then Altera happened to you.
Yeah. Of course, brand tag की value है. Will not deny that at all, and it looks very fancy. Everyone likes to chase that, but I feel like given the cards that I had in my like front, I had to play my best shot, and उसमें मुझे ये लगता है कि like Altera fits into the picture perfectly because also, of course, as I said, 1 year तो course है ही, but the advantage of the fact that they looked at my overall profile, like वो जो traditional सिर्फ score chasing नहीं है, even I very vague, मतलब बहुत अच्छे से मुझे याद है that when I was filling my form, it looked like I was filling the form of a foreign institution, like
Oh, is it?
yeah, पूरा comprehensive था, and they even asked like for my LinkedIn profile, like they wanted to have a look at that, and pura like the statement of purpose was there, and like there were so many like stimulating questions, so it was not like a सिर्फ ऐसे CADS वाला normal college का form filling
Typical
नहीं
वाली चीजें नहीं
था.
थी.
हाँ, so it looked like yes, there was thought behind it. So I think that's very rare in our country.
All right, my last question for the day.
Yes.
Hope my videos were helpful during your journey. When you were
Yes.
preparing, when you were looking for colleges. Anything you want to make a mention?
Yes, I watched your, like one of my first Altera videos that I discovered was yours. I watched it when Pulkit was featured, one of our seniors. So I
Oh, is
watched,
it?
yes,
Acha,
I
okay.
watched that, and even after watching that, I was like, मुझे पापा मम्मी को भी दिखानी है.
Oh, is
Like
it?
yes, to build credibility कि मैं सही जगह choose किया है. So I remember I put that up for them, and like because of the fact that your videos are so like raw and real and no bullshit, see the straight up facts. So like that, even my parents therefore got convinced कि okay, credibility है.
हाँ,
So yeah, so thank you so
जो
much for that.
videos में देखा था वो यहाँ पे आके दिखा ना आपको कि नहीं
Yes,
है
हाँ हाँ, full like there was no like fancy नहीं था, like overdo नहीं हुआ था. It was as it is.
कूल है.
Yeah.
लास्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर द डे.
हाँ जी.
कैट हो चुका है, अभी जैट भी होगा.
Yes.
किसी का अच्छा गया, किसी का बुरा गया. बट मैं स्ट्रांगली बिलीव करता हूँ कि वन डे कैन नॉट डिसाइड योर डेस्टिनी.
Sure.
कुछ बच्चे एकेडमिकली बहुत बढ़िया होते हैं, जैसे आप हो, राइट? कुछ बच्चे एप्टीट्यूड वाइज बहुत बढ़िया होते हैं.
Yes.
कभी कभी हम एकेडमिक्स में अच्छा कर लेते हैं, एप्टीट्यूड में हम अच्छा नहीं कर लेते.
Fair.
तो ऐसे बच्चों को डर लगता है कि मेरा करियर बनेगा कि नहीं आगे जाके. आई वांट यू टू टेल देम एनीथिंग दैट कम्स इनटू योर माइंड. कैन बी अ मोटिवेशन, कैन बी अ लाइफ एडवाइस, एनीथिंग फॉर देम. एनीथिंग.
Okay. Firstly, I would like to say keep pat on the back to you for like making it to the CAT exam. It was very tough, I heard, this year. So firstly, for getting through that. But my only advice would be that just try and make sure that आप MBA for the learning कर रहे हो. Like if you are the one who's thinking कि like, you know, I might not get an IIM this year, don't do it for that. Do it for the learning, and whatever college it is. Like if you are doing it कि मुझे सीखना है, then every college can be your dream college, honestly. And yeah, just take it a bit easy, be easy on yourself and just give it your best shot. आगे कोई भी जो भी आपके GDPIs होंगे and like rounds होंगे, just make sure you take it one day at a time and kill it.
Perfect.
Yeah.
You know, she rightly, just to add, you know, she
Yes.
rightly said that, you know, take your MBA as a learning. देखो प्लेसमेंट जरूरी है, बट वो प्लेसमेंट बाय प्रोडक्ट है.
Yeah.
बहुत सारे कॉलेजेस में ना अम्ब्रेला प्लेसमेंट होता है, बहुत सारे कॉलेजेस में यू नो 20-25 बच्चों को एक साथ प्लेसमेंट लगाई जाती है.
Yeah.
बट यार प्लेसमेंट लग भी जाएगी ना तो अंदर सर्वाइव तभी कर पाओगे बेटा जब आप में स्किल्स है, अदरवाइज फिर थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट होगा. सो राइटली सेड, टेक MBA, डू MBA फॉर लर्निंग एंड फॉर स्किल सेट मैनेजमेंट. Thank you so much, Arya.
Thank you,
I wish
sir.
you all the very best, and I would love to see you very soon representing India.
Yes.
You know, मैं बहुत
Fingers
proud होके
crossed.
बोलूँगा, you know, कि यार ये हमारी बच्ची है, इसका वीडियो हमने करा था. So I wish you all the very best for that,
Thank you so
and
much.
I'm very sure your parents are very happy and you know proud of you. So we are. So thank you so much for giving some time, and
Thank you,
guys,
sir.
make sure that you put some nice comments on this video for Arya. At least उसको congratulate करो यार, and make sure you like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching.